Hey guys, welcome to my first unboxing video. I'm actually excited because look what I just got. Oh yeah! So we're gonna unbox this. So I got it at the flea market. I opened. Oh, here we got. If you want to scan the QR code, I got you. Just like I don't know where this reads to. Yeah. Now open this. Take out all. Sorry about that. My mom calling me. Anyways. Take it all apart. We got the stand. We got the torso. And then these head. We got these. We got the legs. And we also got the chainsaws. Gotta be careful with these. I don't wanna like hurt myself. So we got the chainsaw head. And we got the chainsaw arms. Look at that. Now time for me to assemble this. Let's go. I'm actually kind of excited. So yeah. Let me put this together. I know how to do it. So, like that. And I forgot where I was supposed to put this at. Hold on. Let me look at the box. Oh, hold on, wait. Oh, no. But right now. There, no. Wait, hold on. Is that? Oh. Now we grab the legs. Oh, gotta be careful. And look at this. Look at this bad boy. Like that. And now we just put this up there. Oh, let me connect this. Like this. This is what I put in. And now we connected it. Look, it's falling. It keeps falling each time for some reason. It's getting really annoying. I connect this right, but it keep on falling for some reason. What? So after bunch of after struggling for like I think like a few minutes, I finally got it together. It's finally now time to reveal the boy himself, Denji. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Look at this, man. Look at this. It looks actually cool. Look at this. Got Denji. Gotta be careful. I gotta be careful with these like blades, dude, cause I might like cut myself. But all I have to say is this is actually cool. Look at this. I'm gonna do a little spin. See Stingy's bag. So if I had to rate this to a scale to 1 to 10, it would obviously be a 10. Cause like the amount of details on this figure is wild. Like but my little complaint is that like you see the blood on the chainsaw arms. You see the blood on Denji's head. See this? There was it should be like more blood on this chainsaw, like and people ask, well, it's already there, so why? But that's because when he pulled the cord, the chainsaw comes out of his forehead, and yeah, it doesn't make. Yeah. So yeah, but at the end of the day, he looks actually cool, man. Look at this. Like that. And we're doing still though. It looks actually cool. And we'll take a look at the box. So over here we got the box. See, we got Denji. And over here we got, you know, that. And now we got whatever this is, the back. And that is all it. Oh wait, hold on. They have a warning back here. Warning: this is not a toy, but a college object for adults over 15 years old. Children has a small PC. Keep out of reach of young children under 15 years because of danger of in some place comes. Oh, thanks for the warning, but the only problem is I'm 11, not 15, but I know not to choke on these. Okay, I'm just joking. I'm not actually gonna eat this because what type of person would eat plastic? Maybe a 5-year-old would. So, look, so at the end of the day, this looks actually cool. So I'm gonna put this up. We're gonna look at the bottom. So yeah. Every time I do an unboxing video, I grab Denji and just like open it. So yeah. Look at this, dude. It looks actually cool, man. And if you want this, I don't know. I think you could just go on Amazon and just find one, or just go to your nearest flea market, aka Booga. This is what I got this. I got this from a flea market. That was like right next to a gas station. Or you just go online and just find the exact same one. So yeah. Or if you're an artist, you could make your own. That's cool. So yeah. When I saw this, I thought it would be like I thought you could like make poses, but no, it's just a figure. But the guy told me that I can't pose this in any way. It's because well, it's a action figure. It's not action figure, it's just a figure. So yeah. But I don't care, dude. As long as it looks cool and it's Denji, I'm keeping this. So yeah. Let's see what Denji looks like. What is it? Oh, hold on, let me like.